Using contemporary wood furniture and decor pieces in home design offers a wealth of benefits that extend beyond mere aesthetics. As a material, wood has long been revered for its natural beauty, warmth, and versatility. In contemporary design, which often emphasizes clean lines and minimalism, wood provides an ideal balance of form and function. The incorporation of wood into modern living spaces can enhance the overall atmosphere, foster well-being, and contribute to sustainable living. One of the most significant advantages of contemporary wood furniture is its ability to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. While contemporary design often leans towards minimalism, which can sometimes feel stark or cold, the organic qualities of wood add a layer of warmth that softens the overall aesthetic. The natural grain patterns and rich textures of wood create visual interest, making spaces feel more dynamic and engaging. This warmth is particularly important in areas where people gather, such as living rooms and dining areas, as it fosters a sense of comfort and connection among family and friends. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas you need to see. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The tactile quality of wood further enhances the experience of contemporary living spaces. Unlike synthetic materials, which can feel artificial and uninviting, wood has an inherent warmth that invites touch and interaction. This tactile engagement can create a more immersive environment, allowing individuals to connect with their surroundings on a deeper level. For instance, the feel of a smooth wooden surface or the intricate details of a carved piece can evoke feelings of comfort and familiarity. This sensory aspect of wood contributes to a home's overall atmosphere, making it a more nurturing and inviting space. Contemporary wood furniture and decor pieces also offer remarkable versatility. The simplicity of modern designs allows wooden elements to shine without overwhelming the space. From sleek wooden accent tables to minimalist wall art, these pieces can seamlessly integrate into various design schemes, enhancing the overall aesthetic while remaining functional. This adaptability is crucial in today's diverse interior design landscape, where homeowners often seek to blend different styles and materials to create unique, personalized environments. Sustainability is another compelling reason to incorporate contemporary wood furniture and decor into living spaces. As awareness of environmental issues grows, consumers increasingly prioritize sustainable materials in their purchasing decisions. Wood is a renewable resource, particularly when sourced from responsibly managed forests. Choosing furniture and decor made from sustainably harvested wood can align with eco-friendly values and contribute to environmental conservation. This choice not only benefits the planet but also provides peace of mind, knowing that the pieces in one's home are sourced ethically. The durability of wood is a further advantage that makes it an ideal choice for contemporary furniture. Quality wood can withstand the rigors of daily life, making it a practical investment for households. Unlike many synthetic materials that may wear down over time, solid wood pieces can last for generations with proper care. This longevity not only signifies a wise financial investment, but also reduces the frequency of replacements, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle by minimizing waste. Additionally, contemporary wood furniture and decor can enhance the overall health and well-being of living spaces. Natural materials like wood can improve indoor air quality by regulating humidity and absorbing harmful pollutants. This contributes to a healthier living environment, particularly in spaces where families spend significant time. The presence of wood can also foster a sense of calm and tranquility, enhancing the emotional and psychological well-being of occupants. In a world filled with stressors, creating a serene home environment is essential for mental health. The emotional connection many people have with wood furniture should not be overlooked. Wood has a rich history and is often associated with feelings of nostalgia and comfort. Many individuals have fond memories of wooden pieces from their childhood or family gatherings, and incorporating similar items into their own homes can evoke those cherished memories. This emotional resonance can create a deeper sense of belonging and connection within a living space, making it feel more like home. Moreover, contemporary wood decor pieces can serve as conversation starters and focal points within a room. A beautifully designed wooden sculpture or a striking wall installation can draw the eye and spark conversations among guests. This ability to create visual interest enhances the overall atmosphere of a space, making it feel more dynamic and engaging. By thoughtfully selecting and arranging wooden decor pieces, homeowners can create intentional focal points that guide the flow of the room and encourage social interaction. The practicality of contemporary wood furniture and decor also enhances their appeal. Many wooden pieces are designed with multifunctionality in mind, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical use. For example, a wooden coffee table may also serve as storage space, combining style and function in a single piece. This versatility is especially valuable in modern homes, where maximizing space and functionality is often a priority. By incorporating contemporary wood decor, homeowners can create environments that are not only beautiful, but also highly functional. The ease of maintenance associated with wood furniture is another advantage. While wood does require some care to preserve its beauty, the upkeep is generally straightforward. Regular dusting and occasional polishing can keep wooden pieces looking their best, and minor scratches can often be easily remedied. This practicality makes wood furniture an excellent choice for busy households, where the focus is on creating a beautiful yet functional living space. In contrast to materials that may require more extensive care or replacement, wood's durability and manageable maintenance make it a practical choice for modern living. Incorporating contemporary wood decor can also encourage creativity and personal expression in interior design. With the wide variety of wood types, finishes, and designs available, homeowners can experiment with different combinations to create a unique look. Mixing and matching wooden pieces with various colors and textures can result in dynamic and visually appealing arrangements. This creative exploration can be a rewarding aspect of home decor, enabling individuals to curate spaces that genuinely reflect their identity and style. Furthermore, wooden decor can enhance the overall value of a home. Well chosen, quality wooden decorations can contribute to the aesthetic appeal of a space, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Unique, handcrafted pieces often stand out in a market filled with mass-produced items, offering a sense of individuality that can be appealing to prospective homeowners. This attention to detail and quality can pay off in the long run, enhancing the marketability of a property. As trends in interior design continue to evolve, the enduring appeal of wood remains a constant. Contemporary wood furniture and decor can adapt to changing styles without needing a complete overhaul. Small adjustments, such as swapping out decor pieces or updating finishes, can refresh a space and keep it feeling current and inviting. This adaptability is particularly valuable in a fast-paced world where design trends can shift rapidly. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas you need to see. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.